Okay, I'm not sure what you're going to see here. I can tell you what I learned. One, MAP gas will not, you cannot braze with MAP gas. You need to add oxygen. Although my piece last night looked awful pretty, it lacked any strength. I've got a Dremel and V'd out a nice deep channel on both sides, added lots of weld. I believe I have a finished product item. And whoever was suggested that it's just the gravity of the bar holding that in place is correct. This is just keeping it in the channel. So there's that side. There's that side. I haven't got it pushed up all the way yet. I'm debating on line boring. It is tight, and I'm afraid I may just break the weld again if I try to force that on there. Now I do have a piece of 3/4 material to test with, and I can get that through there. And I've dressed this with a file. We'll just have to wait and see what happens there. But as of right now, it's fully functionable. We're switching. And I believe I'm going to start using the back gear a little bit. I can go up to 580 in back gear. I can go down to 44. Like I mentioned, I was surprised this whole top row of gears aren't even used in direct drive. Okay, so I speckled up my mats a little bit, speckled up my table a little bit. I guess I need to have a proper area for welding, and I do have some splatter here. I'd like to get that off of there. Okay, I think a cold chisel might take care of that. Well, hopefully that's it for the back gear lever. That's a finished project. You see how excited I get and just rush and run and boom, boom, boom and making mistakes. Okay. I need to change my mindset. I realize you guys plan projects and figure out what tools you need, and you might wait a week for some supplies to come in. And I'm just like, this is gonna work. This is, I gotta change that mentality if I'm gonna, I can luck out and hit something right on, but yeah, I need to learn how to plan and follow it. Set a plan and follow it.
Everything still turns nice and free.
Okay. Not the prettiest thing. I may line bore it, just scratch it a little bit. I have a 3/4 inch gauge pen I can get through there, but I got to pound it out. Therefore, I would have to tap this on, persuade it a little bit. It might just be a matter of getting it lined up square, but it should self-center at some point. But there it is, Mr. Zero Patience. Finally have something I can live with. It doesn't even feel like anything's going on inside there. I need to take this off and take a look in there to see if I'm even engaged in. You know what? I'm not engaged in there because I pulled that pin a little bit. Yeah, I need to get in there and get that hooked up. Okay. Like and subscribe. Tell a buddy, bring a friend.